Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're thinking about starting freelancing but don't know where to begin, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to start freelancing, even if you have zero experience. Let's dive right in. Freelancing means working for yourself and offering your skills to different clients, usually on a project-by-project basis. You're your own boss. You decide when, where, and how much you work. Next, think about what you're good at. This could be something you've studied, a hobby, or experience from a previous job. If you're unsure, look into learning. Canva, WordPress, Photoshop, writing and editing, coding like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, admin work, such as Excel and email management. Even if you haven't worked with clients yet, you can create sample projects. This shows potential clients what you can do. Tip: use free platforms like Behance, Dribbble, or make a simple personal website with Card or Notion. Time to put yourself out there. Create profiles on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, TopTal for experienced freelancers, and people per hour. Profile checklist, clear profile photo, strong bio, mention your skills, what you offer, and how you help. Portfolio samples and starting prices. Don't wait for clients to find you, reach out to them. Pitching tips. Read job descriptions carefully, customize your message, focus on how you can solve their problem, and keep it short and professional. Don't wait for clients to find you. Reach out to them. Hi, client name. I saw you're looking for a social media manager. I've helped brands grow their Instagram engagement by 40%. I'd love to help you too. Here's a sample of my work. Let's chat. In the beginning, keep your rates competitive but fair. Don't undersell yourself. There are 3 pricing models. Hourly, for example, $20 per hour. Project-based, for instance, $150 per website. And retainer, which is ongoing work with a monthly fee. This is the most important part. Make sure you do great work, meet deadlines, and communicate well. Happy clients equal repeat clients and referrals. Pro tip: over-deliver when possible. Whether it's a small bonus or a bit of extra polish. It really goes a long way. After each project, kindly ask for a review. Social proof builds trust and helps you land more jobs. Say something like, if you're happy with the work, I'd really appreciate a short review on my profile. Freelancing is always evolving. Stay updated, take online courses, and grow your skills. The better you get, the more you can charge. Coursera, YouTube, Free Code Camp, HubSpot Academy. And that's it. That's how you start freelancing from scratch. It might feel overwhelming at first, but take it one step at a time. You got this. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next one. Fade out with music and end screen.